Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility and gathering tools, TV network menu, router admin login, and the DNS IP you intend to use. On the TV, open network settings and choose manual or static configuration instead of automatic. Enter the router SSID and password if on Wi-Fi. If possible, use Ethernet for fewer variables. Once the TV prompts for DNS, pause and note the current DNS values so you can revert. This gets you into the exact place to change DNS. Do that now. Now replace the TV's primary DNS with the new IP and keep a secondary as a failover if desired. The why is simple. DNS controls hostname lookups and routes requests to alternate resolvers. Save the settings, then restart the TV's network service or power cycle the device to force a new lookup. Once rebooted, run the built-in network test or open a streaming app to confirm name resolution. If pages and content load, the new DNS is active. If not, repeat and check entries. To finalize, consider assigning a static IP or DHCP reservation so your TV always uses the configured DNS. This avoids accidental reassignments. Test several apps to ensure stability and region behavior. DNS can affect content routing and latency. If something goes wrong, first clear the app cache and reboot the TV. If problems persist, revert to the original DNS and recheck your typed IP for typos. One key troubleshooting tip. If DNS fails, set the TV to use your router as DNS and change DNS at the router level instead.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.